Kung sakaling dito sa chocolate, ano gusto mo sa kay chocolate? Ayan, nanonood.
Kay Chocolate, isa lang masasabi ko sa'yo, Chocolate. Maraming salamat at ipinanganak ka sa mundo. Dahil yung pinanganak ka sa mundo, isa lang ang na-realize ko. Mahal ako ng Diyos. Dahil kung hindi ako mahal ng Diyos, malamang kahawig mo rin ako.
Ayan ha. Alright, sa chocolate, tama ka rin.
Lagot ka. Nanonood sa akin si Chocolate.
Nanonood kayo doon, oo.
Ay, super love ako din. Alam, masayang-masaya rin si Chocolate na nakilala niya ako.
Ayaw mag-comment. Ba't nag-comment ba to? Nag-comment? Oh, nag-comment ka daw kaya ano?
Hindi kami mag-aaway.
Okay. Ano ba comment mo ron? Okay, huwag na.
Happy natin yun
Manood
eh.
po kayo ng show ko mamaya kasi may spoof ako doon. Doon ko na lang.
Okay.
Hindi siya pang TV.
Ano yung spoof mo ron? Sino?
Si
Si ate.
Ha?
Si ate.
Hindi, isa-spoof ko si Fit Room Padilla.
Okay yan. Alright, sige.
Si Fit Room Padilla na kapatid ni Batman Padilla. na napang-asawa dati ni Carmina Signorina na ngayon ay asawa na ni Zoren Legarda. Ano, nalito kayo, ano?
May gulo to, may gulo. Kung gusto nyo panoodin nyo. Bahala kayo dyan, ha?
Marami na nanonood kagabi. Sa mga nakanood po kagabi tapos nag-enjoy, ipagkalat nyo ang balita para manood sila. Sa mga hindi nag-enjoy, manahimik po kayo.
Yan ang presenta. Tonight dyan, okay? Yun lang ang message mo kay Chocolate, yun lang.
Opo.
May utang ba sa Chocolate?
Wala po.
Okay lang.
Meron naman, hindi naman utang. Binigay ko na rin lang sa kanya ng libre.
Okay.
Yung mga tigyawat, ilang kinya lang yung tigyawat. Sabi ko, mamigay ka naman ng tigyawat. Yung iba hindi pa na-experience na.
Kung sakali. Ikaw, ha? Ikaw ba? Ikaw magkiwag sa Chocolate dito. Kung sakali, na kunyari, kung meron ka...
Kailangan na yan. Ali mo,
Kaya naman, nanonood. Sa mga shows, kita, napapanood ka sa Love Line, eh. Magaling ka, puno ng tao. Si Chocolate, nakakapuno ba sa punchline?
Nakakapuno rin naman si Chocolate ng punchline. Oo, kasi magaling mamigay ng compli yan.
Wawa naman si Chocolate, no? Bakit ganyan yun? May talent ba yun?
Opo, talented si Chocolate.
Ano talent nun?
Ang mga witchcraft and sorcery. May mga kapangyarihan din siya. Mahusay siya sa pambabarang.
Okay. Kay Poo, meron kang comment kay Poo?
Kay Poo, ayokong mag-comment kay Poo. Alam naman natin na si Poo ay ang pambansang kamao. Mahirap naman kung masapak ang kabayo. Baka hindi makatakbo.
Okay na. Okay, tonight. Kung gusto nyo mag-enjoy, palakpakan nyo, Bahal Ganda. Gano'ng kagagalingan. Gano'ng kagaling talaga. Anong talent? Dali. Anong talent?
Ano po?
Bahala ka na.
Ano ba yung ginawa ko? Hindi pa ba talent?
Tira, Bahal Ganda!
Teka lang.
Since ito ay araw ng pag-ibig, alam naman nating lahat na Valentine's ngayon, kaya binabati ko si Miss Chris Aquino na birthday niya. Ayan, Valentine's Day ngayon. So ayoko namang basta kumanta lang ng isang awiting pag-ibig na wala naman ako inaalayan at anumang inspirasyong nararamdaman. Naniniwala ako na sa loob ng studio nito ay makakamit ko ang lalaki magpapatibok ng aking puso na nararamdaman ko naririnig na siya. Sino yung kasama mo? Ay, ipakilala mo sa akin yan. Kasi siguro ko na sa mukha mong yan, mas magugustuhan niya ako kaysa sa'yo. Ay, hi. Papi, would you mind if I
sure,
talk to him first before I do my song?
But make it fast.
Yeah, I'll make it fast. I'm a horse. I'm so fast.
Okay. We have 1 hour commercial. 1 hour commercial.
We have 1 hour commercial?
That's right.
It's okay. I only have 45 minutes, chica. What is your name, sir?
Roger,
Roger. Where are you from, sir?
Winnipeg, Canada.
You're from Canada? Oh my goodness. So, you must be Canadian.
Yes.
Bakit? May mga inchik sa Canada. Huwag kayong tanga. May mga Pilipino nga doon. Eto nga, Canadian, nasa Pilipino. Sa Pilipinas. Okay, are you married?
Yes, I am.
Why? Are you married to a Filipina?
Yes.
Of course, because you can't marry a Filipino. He's a man. You should marry a Filipina. Yeah, congratulations because you made the best choice of your life. Because the Filipinos make the best wives in the whole world. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah, are you enjoying your stay in the Philippines so far?
I am.
Oh, that is so nice to hear. So, why are you here? What brought you here?
Here for vacation, visit family.
Vacation brought you here? Of course not. It is the airplane that brought you here. My goodness. Your family brought you here? How come your family brought you here? Does your family have special superpowers to bring you from Canada to the Philippines? Of course not. You're so... No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so you're with your family. Who brought you here?
The plane.
The plane? Of course not. It is the pilot that brought you to the plane. My goodness. I ask who? Who? The pilot is not a who. The pilot is a what? My God. You're Canadian. I'm so disappointed with your English. No, this is one thing I am so proud of about the Filipinos. The Filipinos are so, they converse in English very well, even if you're not that, very good. We can construct English sentences, right? And because Filipino people are very intelligent people, right?
That's right.
Are you Filipino?
No.
That's why you're not intelligent. No, that's kidding. Don't get me wrong. I'm just kidding, okay? You know what kidding is?
Yes.
What is kidding?
Joking.
No, joking, of course not. Kidding. When you're not old yet, you're kidding. When you grow, you're growing. When you're old, like you, you're dying. I'm just kidding. Joking. Now, when you go back to Canada, just tell me. I'd love to go there to Canada. I've been to Canada already, and Canada is such a beautiful place. Yeah, I heard that Canada, there are so many things you can see in Canada, right? You can see a lot of things, almost everything in Canada. Everything that, occupies space and has a weight. And you know what it's called? Matter. Did you see me in Canada?
No.
No, because I'm not matter. I'm just molecule. And I wish you can be with me. Can you be my particle? Tama na nga. What do you have there? What are you playing there? Okay. Do you have kids already?
No.
No? So this is your first? Okay, thank you so much for joining me here. I have long been waiting for you. When Dad knew that you were my boyfriend, Dad was so mad at you. You know why?
Why?
Dad likes you too. This is, and you will never forget me, and especially this song, because this is gonna be our theme song.